Good morning, students. Today we are going to see 2.4 The Fall of Troy, Part 2, Extract 2, textbook page number 44 and 45. Now I would like to read extract loudly. Students, you must listen it very carefully. Let's go through the text. As they were wondering how the horse had been built and why it had been left behind, they found a Greek with his hands tied together lying under it. When the Trojans dragged him out, the man pretended to be very frightened of them. When he was commanded to tell them why the Greeks had gone and why they had left this horse behind, he pretended to tremble very much and refused to speak. When at last they threatened to kill him, he spoke and told them his false tale. The Greeks are tired of the long war and have sailed away in their ships, he said. But they are afraid of the long voyage home too, and so they have made this horse and left it as an offering to the god of the sea. They wanted also to kill me and offer me as a sacrifice to the sea god, but I escaped and hid from them. But why did the Greeks make such a huge horse? Some of the Trojans asked, and the cunning Greek made this reply: if they had made a smaller offering, you might have taken it into your city. Then the luck would have gone to the Trojans, not to the Greeks. That is why they made it too big to go inside your gates. The Trojans were delighted to hear this. The Greeks have gone, they said, and the walls are no longer necessary. Let us make a hole in the wall and drag the horse in. Their wise priest warned them not to do so. It may be a trick that will ruin us. He said, you will bring disaster on the city if you break down the walls. But they were so excited that they paid no attention to his words. They broke down the part of their strong wall in order to drag the horse in. Let's examine some words and meanings from passage. Dragged. Dragged means pulled. Tremble means shiver. Voyage means a long journey involving travel by sea. Sacrifice. Sacrifice means offering made to God. Now we are going to see some important points or detailed explanation of the given extract. All Trojans were surprised as they saw a big wooden horse. They were very curious to see how the horse had been built. Along with the horse there was one Greek whose hands tied together and he was lying under the horse. As the Trojans dragged him out, the man pretended to be very frightened of them and he refused to speak with them. But as the Trojans threatened him, he was ready to talk and he spoke and told them false tale, false story. It is the part of the plan of Odysseus. As far as that man's opinion is concerned, that the Greeks were very tired for a long war and they have sailed away along with their ships. But the Greeks were very afraid of the long journey, so they made such a big horse as an offering to the sea god. Actually, they wanted to kill me and offer me as a sacrifice to God, but I escaped and hid myself from them. The Trojans asked him, why did the Greeks make such a big horse? And the cunning Greek made his false reply, and he said, if they had made a smaller offering or smaller horse, then you would have been taken it into your city. Then the good luck would have gone with you, not to the Greeks. Therefore, they made such a big horse so that you could not drag it in your city. As the Trojans listened such kind of response from that person, the Trojans were delighted. Delighted means very happy. Trojans became very happy as they listened the news from that person. The Trojans thought that our big wall is not necessary now because war is over. So it is better to break that wall and drag the horse inside the city. But their wise priest warned them. He said that you don't do this because this horse may be a trick that will ruin us, that will spoil us, and it will be bring disaster on the city if you break down the walls. But all the Trojans, they were very excited, so they did not listen the advice of the wise priest. Without listening the advice, they broke down some part of the wall in order to bring the horse inside the city. Let's discuss vocabulary from the extract. Noun forms: pretend, pretense; long, length; verb forms: excitement, excite; speech, speak; adjective forms: wisdom, wise; city, urban. Let's understand grammar questions. First one, the Trojans were delighted to hear this. Add a question tag. Answer is, the Trojans were delighted to hear this, weren't they? Question mark. Question number 2, he spoke and told them his false tale. Identify the tense. It is simple past tense. Now I would like to give some activities in assignment for practice. Activity number 1, simple factual. Complete the following. First one, when the Trojans dragged the man out, dash. Sentence number 2, the man said that they wanted also to kill him and dash. Activity number 2, complex factual. Answer the following questions. Question number 1, what reckless step did the Trojans take? Question number 2, what was done to make the Trojans take the horse inside the city? Activity number 3, vocabulary. Write adjective forms of. First word is wisdom. Second word is city. Activity number 4, grammar. Sentence number 1, the Trojans were delighted to hear this. Type of sentence. Sentence number 2, the horse was made by skillful engineer. Change the voice. Activity 5, personal response. Question is, do you think that the way Greeks entered the city was justice? Give reasons. Students, it is the question of personal response. So you must write your personal opinion regarding to given question. In this way, I have given 5 activities in assignment for practice. Students, you must read the passage very carefully once or twice and then try to solve the given activities in your classwork. Thank you.